conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 8:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Friday, June 12, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Wheatland County near Rocky Ford and Rosebud. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Kneehill County near Acme and Linden and Municipal District